Hi, today we are going to learn about Memu Play installation for Termux. Basically, it's an Android emulator which you use to run the Termux in your Windows. So click over this link and just download it and install in your system. Now you can see the icon over your desktop. So click on this icon. It will launch the Memu Play on your desktop. See, it will display the result like this. For first time it will take some time. Now it will display the link and description like this. Now you just register with your Gmail, open the Google Play and install the Termux over here.